Hello everybody. Welcome back. It's time for another Walmart beauty unboxing. So this is a Walmart beauty box. This has been around for a couple years now. You can subscribe to it. They mail them out 4 times a year. I think it's like $7 now. But they mail them out 4 times a year every season, and then they give you like some items. Some are travel size items, some are full size items, and some are just crap. But I'm excited to see what I have. This is the summer box. It just turned summer just like the other day. I know when you do sign up, they ask you a couple questions, so everybody gets different things. So we'll see. The box I got last month was okay, but I've had some really great stuff in the past. So let's just dig in. And the first thing that's just yelling to me, like, let's dig this open, is the Shop. It is face wash. It's daily exfoliating cleanser. So I always use like a cleanser while I'm taking a shower. I wash my face while I'm in the shower. But this is a cute little thing. This is actually perfect for when I travel. I don't actually have a facial cleanser for when I travel. So that is perfect for that. But anyways, this is the little cheat sheet. What they do is they have all the items that you get in here. So a full size of this would be $9.97. So I'm assuming this is like $2, $3 for this. So yes, and the first thing I see is a full size item, and I do not see it in this box, but it is Splat Hair Chalk. Splat Hair Chalk, and it is Midnight Blue. So basically what you do is just kind of rub your hair in it. I am not a big fan of blue, but my daughter would she has blonde hair, so this would be good for her to have. So I'm just gonna I just have the Walmart app open. I'm just gonna scan this. So this is $9.09 at my store. $9.09 for a full size of hair chalk. So we got that. Ooh, another full size item that we have is the Sally Hansen nails. Again, this is not in the box. I don't really wear fake nails. I've been kind of wanting to, but this right here is $7.43. $7.43 for some Sally Hansen Perfect Manicure nails. So we got that. We also have a little anti-friction stick for thigh rescue. So if you guys have like sweaty thighs or thighs that like rub together, I know like right now it's with the humidity it's not the greatest. Oh, this is cool. This is made in Milwaukee. I didn't know this. I live an hour away from Milwaukee. But this is a full size of this is $13.97. So this is just like a little sample of it. It does have a UPC code, so I'm just gonna see how much, if they sell this like in the travel section, if I can get it to scan. Okay, this doesn't have a price on it. Yeah, it doesn't have a price on it, but here we have a chafe thing. Here we also have a Bondi Sands self-tanning foam mousse with auto, and this is dark, and I'm pale as can be because this would not fit my skin texture, but we have some tan if you guys need some tan in a can. Yes, we got that. And this one is saying the full-size item for this is $15.98. Now the next thing I see is this Walmart little bag. I swear I already have one of these. I swear I have one. I've gotten one of these in the past. But it's just a little travel size bag. It's empty, but it's perfect for putting like whatever you guys need in here. So this is kind of like a little easy bonus. If you guys get one of these in your box, let me know, because I wonder if they're giving these away to everybody. I really miss like doing Ipsy, and I can't remember. That's how I used to do that's how I started doing YouTube. I kind of started it as a beauty channel, but I really miss doing that. And then it's got the Walmart emblem on the back. But if you guys get one of these in your box, please let me know. So again, I paid $7 for this box. We got a free little pouch. I don't even know what to price that as, but we have an almost $7 nails. Again, an $8 hair thing. So those two items right here pay for the price. And then we got a Bonds tanning spray or foam, which I don't even need because I don't tan very well, period. Some cleanser, which is perfect for traveling, and then we have some chafe stuff. So I don't know, I'm kind of disappointed in this box. Like, I was hoping that they would give you like some kind of like perfume or something in here, or something that's just more summer. But to me, like, I was kind of disappointed in this item. Like, yes, you got 2 full-size items, but these are not really worthless to me. These are kind of worthless to me. But for $7, it's still a great deal. Everybody gets different items, but here they have, like, everything that they have in here. I know they have a Clean Fresh Brow Enhancer Gel Wax from CoverGirl. That would have been something to get. And then they have Revitalift, L'Oreal Paris of Revitalift. That would have been fine to get, like, a little sample of that. Not like the flat samples, but like a bottle. But otherwise, this is an okay box. I just wanted to share with you guys. I'm not as excited, but I'm not canceling because you never know what you're going to get. One box was by far the best box I have ever had. And then sometimes you get kind of bad boxes, but then sometimes you get boxes like this where you get some decent stuff. Just stuff that doesn't work. I gotta see if I can maybe update my profile if they still let you have that. But make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. If you enjoy this Walmart beauty unboxing, if you guys are interested in maybe, I'm going to try Ipsy again. I don't know. It's been like 10 years. I might try it again. I don't know what I want to do with it, but we will see. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.